Connect more, close more, and do more with Intelligent Voice AI. What sets Intelligent Voice AI apart in a market full of noise? It's simple. Our technology is purpose-built with our clients' needs in mind. We've engineered our AI to be an intelligent partner for your business. The difference lies in our foundation. While many competitors rely on off-the-shelf APIs, our Evolve agents are powered by custom LLMs designed for specific agentic and generative tasks and dialogues. This gives us a crucial edge as we can perform real-time, natural language processing and understand nuanced requests, and respond instantly and accurately in a multilingual environment, so you can serve any customer anywhere. For us, trust is non-negotiable. We understand that your data and your business depend on it. Our Evolve AI platform is built from the ground up to be fully compliant with the most stringent regulations, including HIPAA, SOC 2, GDPR, and A2P 10 DLC. Our commitment to ethical AI means your data is secure and your reputation is protected. Our technology is engineered for effortless integration. Evolve AI agents can fully integrate with your existing CRM and tech stack, syncing data in real time. This isn't just about automation, it's about making your team more efficient in your operations, more seamless. Our mission is to democratize agentic and generative productivity for any business and any use case. We believe that this transformative technology shouldn't be reserved for large enterprises, but for all businesses, large or small, the technology is here. The mission is clear. It's time to stop waiting and start growing. Take the first step toward a more intelligent, efficient, and profitable future. Book a personalized demo today and learn how our Evolve AI agents can transform your business.